Welcome to Gelous Gel Manicure Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to apply our velvet gel polishes using a magnet. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and build application, apply a thin coat of velvet blush and cap the free edge. To lift the glitter to the surface of the polish, hover the large end of the magnet around the edges of your nail. Putting the magnet closer to the nail will push the glitter away for a cat eye effect. To bring back the glitter, slowly pull the magnet away from your nail. If you've played around with the polish a lot, you may need to apply another thin coat, then use the magnet. Today I'm going to do a full velvet blush look by hovering the big magnet over the polish until the glitter is fully lifted. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a second coat if needed, then hover the magnet over your nails once more to lift the glitter. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.